Hi, myself Rohit Kumar Singh, AVP working in RuPeeQ, and today is the very special day. We have completed our 5 years in this organization, and really many thanks to our founders, our teammates, and all the peoples who are part of this journey. And I am so grateful that I am the first employee of this organization. RuPeeQ, before 5 years, it was a dream, and right now we are more than 600 plus people who are working under our organization. We are working as a family, we are working as a team, and we are winning all the challenges, and we are getting new milestone month on month, year on year, and many more milestones have to go.
Hey everyone, I am Prince Gupta, AVP Sales at RuPeeQ. It's a proud and emotional moment today because RuPeeQ has completed 5 successful years. And the best part, I have also completed 5 amazing years with this journey. ये 5 साल मेरे लिए एक incredible journey रहे, full of learning, growth and teamwork. RuPeeQ मेरे लिए एक परिवार की तरह है, जहाँ हर दिन नए goals and नए opportunities मिलते रहते हैं। मैं थैंकफुल हूँ अपने फाउंडर्स का, मैनेजमेंट का और अपनी पूरी टीम का, जिन लोगों ने हमेशा मेरी मदद की, मुझे मोटिवेट किया। Happy 5 amazing years to RuPeeQ. Let's keep growing together.
Honestly, I don't even know where to start. 5 years, it still feels unreal. I just want to say a big thank you to each and every one of you who has been the part of RuPeeQ's journey. When we started, we never imagined this day would come, but with God's grace and with everyone's effort, energy and belief, we are here. Every single one of you has contributed in your own way, and that's what makes RuPeeQ what it is today. Let's keep the same fire alive, the grit, the passion, and take RuPeeQ to the next level, 5 times bigger and 5 times stronger. Cheers to all the RuPeeQians for believing, achieving, and growing together. The journey just continues stronger than ever. Congratulations.
Hi, I am Sonali Gupta, AVP at RuPeeQ. I had joined RuPeeQ 5 years ago as an assistant manager, and today I am proud to say that I have grown with this company and lead as an example of growth. RuPeeQ has given me lot of opportunities, confidence and learning power to prove myself, to grow myself. And it's not a company, it's a family. I am very grateful to work with RuPeeQ, and many congratulations to all of you for completing 5 years. Thank you.
Hi, I am Abhishek Shukla, AVP Telesales. Many congratulations to all the RuPeeQ family. हमने 5 साल पूरा किया इस जर्नी में। मुझे भी 2.5 years हो गया जो मैंने अपना कंट्रीब्यूट किया, और सारे परिवार को, सारे RuPeeQ फैमिली को एक बार फिर से बहुत ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। हम नवीन सर को भी थैंक यू बोलना चाहते हैं, नीरू मैम को भी थैंक यू बोलना चाहते हैं, ऑल द स्टाफ्स जो भी हमारे साथ अभी जुड़े हुए हैं परिवार की तरह, सबको बहुत ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। वंस अगेन हैप्पी congratulations to all.
I Kishan Kumar. I have joined RuPeeQ just 2 years back as a AVP sales. I look back at my journey with a lot of gratitude and thanks. For me, RuPeeQ is a trust. They give the authority and a place where you get a real ownership to support, to lead. This is a very rare culture. So embrace the opportunity. I would recommend it and suggest to the young generation this platform give you the freedom to be a lead from the front. On the occasion of 5th anniversary of this platform, RuPeeQ, I wishes all the best to everyone and many congratulations.
मैं मुकेश कुमार, RuPeeQ लास्ट 2 years एज ए AVP. RuPeeQ के बारे में बस इतना बोलना चाहूँगा, RuPeeQ इज़ प्लेटफॉर्म, सपनों की उड़ान। ये लोगों को एक बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म के साथ साथ उसकी जर्नी, गाइडेंस एंड फ्यूचर्स के बारे में बहुत कुछ सिखाता है। आज हमें RuPeeQ के साथ 5 years हो चुके हैं, तो सभी को मेरी तरफ से RuPeeQ के हर एक टीम को लख बधाइयाँ। Thank you so much, team.
Hi, my name is Jasjeet Singh and I work here as Head Telesales. So today we mark our 5th founding day. On our founding day, I want to thank and congratulate each and every team member of RupeeQ for their contributions and efforts towards our growth and success. I also want to congratulate our founders for their vision and guidance in navigating the challenges towards building a strong future. So cheers to all of us. Many more years of success to all of us. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Ritik. I am working as a AVP telesales and I am working here from past 6 months. And first of all, I will congratulate to each and every member of RupeeQ family for completion of the 5 years. The only thing I can say that the RupeeQ is the platform that gives the opportunity to grow. And I only say that if you can join us, we can give you the better opportunity in the market and it will help you grow in the future as well. Thank you.